Hello friends, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're all having a great day. Before we start this video, I just finished another video where I was wearing this very strong lipstick. And for those of you who will love it, it is by Laura Mercier and it is called Coral VIF. But I am going to remove it because I want to share Lisa's lipsticks with you. I know many of you already have them, have already seen them, but I was so excited for her to have this opportunity because she absolutely does love a good lipstick. And I actually have purchased lipsticks from Christian Audette before Lisa's collaboration, and I've talked about them a few times. And they're very, very nice lipsticks. So I wanted to come on and I wanted to put them on for you. Now, I'm going to use Lisa's lip liner. It comes in a set. You cannot buy them individually. Maybe down the road you'll be able to. But for now, it just comes in the set with two lipsticks and the lip liner. But this lip liner is such a great color. It can be worn with so many things. I wore it yesterday with a Marc Jacobs lipstick. And this is called Understudy. And it was so perfect for it. So I do want to go ahead and put this on for you right now. And the lip liner is called Nude Sandals. It is a waterproof gel liner. It's beautiful. The lipstick formulas for Christian Audette are really, really, really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. They just glide on. It's beautiful. Now, of course, you can play with this lip liner and the lipsticks any way you choose. I'm going to build up my outer edge just slightly. So that is what the liner looks like. I'll show it to you on my hand. It really is beautiful. It's just a nice, nice nude. Can be worn with so many. It's not too brown, not too peach, not too pink. It's really, really pretty. And now I'm going to apply now the two lipsticks. I never could decide what to wear, so I'm gonna wear them both, but you'll see when I put the one on what it looks like. So the lipstick cases look like this, really nice. They have Christian Audette on them, and then they say LisaLisaD1 on them. And this color here is the Summer Nights. And this is the warmer, and some would consider the darker of the two. And then the other one is Golden Tiger. And if you think about these names, well, Lisa probably already explained them if you watched her, but these are all things she loves. Nude Sandals, Summer Nights, and Tigers. All right, so this one here is a beautiful, beautiful peach, and here they are side by side, so you can really get a good look at these colors. Let me give a swatch, and I'll actually do the swatch right on the palm of my hand because I think that's truer to what they're going to look like. And let me get this one. Okay, so here they are on the palm of my hand. This is the Summer Nights, and this one here is the Golden Tiger. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply them to my lips. And first I'll go with the Summer Nights, which is the warmer of the two. And you'll see when I apply them how smooth they go on. Just beautiful. It's a beautiful, the formula is so nice. They're almost like cashmere. I said that when I talked about the other two that I had bought previously. And they're just really, really beautiful. And they feel like velvet on the lips. So there you have that. Now if you want to change that up just a little bit and add a little bit of lightness to the center, you would take her Golden Tiger, which is such a beautiful, beautiful peachy nude, and just place it in the center. This is how I have been wearing them. And just touch together. And that's the look you get. They're just really, really gorgeous. And while I have you here, I'll just show you the other two that I do own by her. And because some people aren't into peachy nudes, although these are really, they are gorgeous. They really, I think everyone can wear these. Just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I can wipe this off and put the lighter on by itself so you see it. But I also have the You're Fired. And I wore this on Instagram, and It's just a beautiful, beautiful fuchsia red. Just gorgeous. And I can't really wear these colors well, but this one here I can pull off. And then the other one is the Cashmere Dame. And they're just really, really beautiful. And they both lean towards a pinkier. So this is a mauvier tone, and this is a fuchsia. So take a look at all of them. They're really beautiful, but the Lisa collection is just, I'm really proud of her. I really am. And I'm really, really happy for her. And I love to see things good happening to people who have been working hard at it. So congratulations, Lisa, and also to Christian Audette for a very successful collaboration. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off, and let me see, maybe I'll just wipe the inner part off. Okay, so I took the lipstick off and I just redid the liner, and now I'm just going to do Golden Tiger for you on its own so you can get an idea what this one looks like. Just gorgeous. So that is that one all on its own, okay? All right, so let's get on to business. I wanted to share the May Mapleblume box. I've been sharing these boxes with you for a while now. Mapleblume is a Canadian box that is owned by two women. So if you like to support women company, this is a woman-owned company. They are two sisters. Very, very nice. The box is a luxury subscription box. It is filled with luxury skincare, makeup, clean items, and you are guaranteed at least 5 premium skincare or makeup products in each box. It has never disappointed me. The box comes out in February, May, August, and November, and this is the May box. You can order this box as a subscription, or you can order it as a one-time. And I like to say, if you have someone that really is into this kind of thing, this is a fabulous gift. I think it's a great gift for a mother of a bride, for the bride, a woman who's just had a baby, just somebody you really truly love and you want to gift her with something beautiful. This box is fabulous. It truly has never disappointed, ever. So think of a one-time purchase as a gift for someone or for yourself quarterly. All right, and it is, this will make my Canadian friends happy. It is free shipping for all Canadian orders. Usually Canadians have to spend so much in shipping when they buy from us in the US, so you get a break this time. All right, so let's go ahead and open this box. As usual, it comes in the same box every month. It says Mapleblume, luxury in a box, absolutely gorgeous. The box opens up like this, and when you open it, it will be wrapped. It'll have their signature seal here. Let's open it up. When you open it up, there will be a card sitting on top, and this card is a description card of everything that is in this box. I like to keep myself surprised, so I don't look at the card, I don't open the box before it gets to you. All right, so let's just dig in. The first thing, and I believe that one of the boxes had a hand cream from this company, and it was really lovely. And I think you pronounce it Nori. I'll hold it up for you. And now let me get my zoom lens. Hello, hello. Okay, let me get my zoom lens. Okay, this is a Supreme Moisture Mask Instant Overnight Hydration Booster. So this is an overnight mask, fresh skincare, start using today, fresh batch. So remember, everything in here is clean. It says this highly concentrated yet lightweight moisturizing mask is the ultimate treatment for dehydrated, de-stressed skin. So let's take a look at the packaging. Comes in a white jar, white bottle actually, and it is a pump. So I like to smell things, so let's pump it out. And this is something you would wear overnight, a nice thin layer. It's a beautiful lightweight cream, but you can tell that it has a wonderful, it probably has, let me see what some of the ingredients are in this. It says apply a generous layer to cleanse face and neck, leave on 10 to 15 minutes for an instant hydration or overnight. It has grape and damask rose waters combined with natural hyaluronic acid, effectively restores moisture levels, while squalane and betaine straighten the skin's barrier function. Anti-inflammatory chamomile extracts reduce irritation. B3 which helps improve elasticity. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Also has an expiration on the bottle, which is very nice. Let's take a smell. It smells beautiful. It smells gorgeous. It's very, everything that comes in this box, none of it is, there's no synthetic fragrances in anything. It's all natural through plants usually, and essential oils. I don't have a problem with essential oils. I love them, okay? So that's okay with me. Just beautiful. And that, let's see, I like to see what it retails for. The Supreme Moisture Mask retails for $105 on its own. All right, so let's see what else we have here. Let's get this out. All right, the next item we have is from, you know another thing I love about this box? Some of these brands I have never heard about. And I just love experimenting with new products. This one here, never heard of this company. Modicum Essential Cleanser. And this is, well, let's read what the card says about it. Okay, it says to help with the absorption of skincare products and to keep your skin looking its best, it's important to cleanse. So they're including the Essential Cleanser from Modicum Skincare. The cleanser is calming and refreshing with anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antioxidant properties. This gentle, light foaming cleanser leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, pampered, not stripped. $37.40. Let's take a look at the formula. It is a light gel-like formula, and if I really whip it up, you can see the foaming action, which you know I'm going to love. But yes, it has a light foaming action, and it smells green, very green and clean. Okay, so look forward to using that. I have a brand new brush, so we'll be trying that also. Okay, next item is from Pi. And this is the Echium and Argan Gentle Eye Cream. I love Pi products. I'm using I've used so many of them. Joelle has been very kind and sent me many of the items, and it's a beautiful, beautiful line. So let's see what it says about this. Don't forget about the eye area. The Echium Argan Gentle Eye Cream from Pi Skincare is heavenly. The intensively hydrating formula improves the appearance of fine lines, and unique concentrations of omega-3 and 6 regenerate delicate eye area. This product is a beauty and non-irritating to even the most sensitive of skin types. It retails on its own for $60. All right, so right there, you've already gotten 3 items in this box. All right, so let's see what else we have, and that's 3 items. So now here's the 4th, and this is by Vapor Our Organic Beauty, and this is an Elixir lip gloss, and that's the packaging. And I have had, I think a cheek stick came in one of these boxes once. Oh, and this color is so up my alley. I might have to put it on right now. Look at that beautiful, beautiful color. Let's see what color that is. This is called Elixir Gloss Trust, $3.17. I'm putting some of this on. We're going to go right over our LisaLisaD1 lipsticks. Yes, we are. Oh, yeah, this is really pretty. Very, I don't need it on here. It's got a very clean, natural smell to it. Just the right amount of shine. Very pretty. Oh, this is a gorgeous color. Beautiful. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let's see it on my hand all on its own. We'll give you a big, I'll get you a nice little blob of it so you can really see what it looks like. So here is the lip gloss all by itself. I'll swipe it down a little so you can see. Very, very pretty. Gorgeous. With a nice shine, no shimmer. Just a nice sheen to it. So let's see what it says about that. It says, coral is in. It's always been in for me, always. It is in, it's the Pantone color of the year, and we're running with it. The Elixir Lip Gloss in Trust from Vapor Organic Beauty is a clear, warm, Coral. A pure and healthy formula that gives lips a boost of moisture to create plumper pout, never sticky or tacky. This exotic lip gloss is bursting with antioxidants like goji berry, green tea, and acai berry. It retails on its own for $33.40. All right, so we have one last item, and this is how the packaging comes. It's that paper shred. And it's just really, the presentation is so spectacular with this company. All right, so the last one is again from Vapor. And this is the MultiUse Blush. And the color is Spark. I think I have this. I just think I do. Maybe not. Anyway, let's see what it says about. The packaging is beautiful on Vapor. It's a beautiful royal blue, just gorgeous. Let me put the box up for you so you can read it and see what the product is. All right, so now let's take a look at it. Let's see what it says first. It says, to complement your glossy coral lips, we're adding in the gorgeous Mini Aura Multi-Use Stick from Vapor, Organic Beauty in Spark. This is a sheer pinky peach essential tool in creating your naturally radiant look, from monochromatic elegance to a fresh pop of color. Aura in Spark is a beautifully blendable color for lips, cheek, and lids. It retails for $29.40. And remember that when I'm showing this box, all prices are in Canadian dollars. So the price of the box, when I say it's $120, Canadian. When it's and if you do the single order at $130, Canadian. Plus shipping. All right, so let's take a look at this. This is just a beautiful little chubby stick, and we're going to wind it up a little bit. The color is really pretty. Let me put some on the back of my hand here. It's a very, very, very subtle pink. Almost, you can just make it out there. I think I'll take a little dab of it on my cheek here. So you can see where I'm applying it. You see that? I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit more, and then I'll take the brush and I'm just going to dab it down. Very pretty. Very pretty. Let me do the other side. It's very, very pretty. I don't use a lot of cream products. I always say I'm going to, but I never do. But cream is really an aging woman's friend. Okay, so I brought that a little closer on my cheeks. It's very subtle, very pretty. All right, so there you have it. My Mapleblume for May. Let me know in the comments if you're already receiving the Mapleblume. Let everyone know if you've been very satisfied with the box. I'm quite sure you have. This box here is one of the only boxes that I think has been absolutely 100% consistent to their goal. Every single box, you get beautiful products. Absolutely gorgeous. Most of the products that have come in this box have all been new for me, and pleasantly I have been surprised by most of them. Some of the creams that come in, the body creams, the facial cream, the cleanse, I've used so many of their products and used them up. Really, really beautiful products, fabulous box. I really hope these two girls just continue to grow and stay successful with this box, because it's really a beauty. All right, my friends, so let us know in the comments if you've been enjoying this, and what are some of your favorite delivery boxes that you get that have not disappointed you? Because, you know, I've had a couple of them down the road that I've canceled because they just they haven't been very good, or they start to repeat themselves, and then you get little samples. I mean, I never get a sample in here. I always get full-size packages. Love it. Okay, friends, that's it for me today. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you are aware of all my videos. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.